Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Babs, a 5th year optometry student, and this is Optips. So on this channel we talk about eye care, eye health, and sometimes we also have some videos for optometry related topics. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it for others to see. Okay, so in this video I will be using and talking about 3 eye makeup products that will make your eyes pop. Alongside, I'll also be talking about some safety tips to practice while using your eye makeup products. There are some instances some people have injured their eye or even gone blind as a result of using eye makeup. So since I don't want that to happen to you, I'll be saying some tips alongside using the makeup products. So stay tuned and don't go in. First off, eyeshadow. Okay, so some people recommend you apply your foundation before using your eyeshadow, and some of them also like to use the eyeshadow before using the foundation, but that's like totally up to you. Before you apply your eyeshadow, you need to prime your eyelids. This is in order to prevent creasing, increase longevity of the eyeshadow, and also to enrich the colors that's on your eyes. If you have oily eyelids like mine, you may have to use a translucent or a baking powder first, so that it creates this matte look. Okay, it's also important to check the expiry date of the eyeshadow before using it. You do not have to use expired products. Also, if you notice any signs and symptoms such as itchiness, bumps around your eyelids, or swelling, that means you're probably having an allergic reaction to the eyeshadow, and you'd have to stop using it and try a different one which you do not react to. So you have to start with a base, a neutral tone that is usually closer to your skin color. So it could be like brown or light brown, depending on how your skin tone is like. And after applying the neutral tone, you go ahead to take 2 colors, a lighter shade and a darker shade. So you apply the lighter one first, then the darker shade comes later. You can blend the darker shade into, well, closer to your eyelid margin and the inner part of your eyelid. And you just have to take a really small amount and then blend until you get your desired effects. This is the lighter shade we've gone in with first. We're going to go ahead and use the darker shade over here. That's where our crease is, and you have to be very careful not to get the eyeshadow into your eyes, and in case it does get into your eyes, you just have to rinse it with water and then visit a hospital as soon as possible in order to prevent any further damage. So I'm going in with a glittery eyeshadow because I like glitter anyway, so I keep that low closer to my eyelid margin. I hope it looks good. You can also conceal your eyelids if you want the crease to be more visible, or if you want the pigments to really come out, but I like to keep it this way. Yeah. Okay, so this is my final eyeshadow look. So I'm going to move on and apply the next eye makeup product, which is the eyeliner. Eyeliner is one of my favorite eye makeup products too. Okay, so just like the eyeshadow, it's important to note the expiry dates on the eyeliner too, in order to avoid any allergic reaction or inflammation in the course of use. Also, when you're using the eyeliner, it's important to not to apply the eyeliner to your eyelid margins, that is like within the inner part of your eyelids. This is because there are some glands over there called the meibomian glands. They are oil secreting glands, and they add up to the tears that are produced by the eyes to keep your eyes moisturized or moistured, right? So if you use these products like the pencil, mascara, and eyeliner, it's going to end up blocking those glands, and then the oil is not going to be secreted enough, and it's going to result in problems such as dry eye, irritation, which I do not want for you. It's very, very uncomfortable. Sharing and using old eyeliner also increases the chance of bacterial and fungal infections. So please try not to share your eyeliner with too many people, and always discard of any old eyeliner you don't use. And you also have to be careful when you're applying the eyeliner so it doesn't enter your eye. In case it does enter your eye, just like with the eyeshadow, rinse your eyes thoroughly and go to see an eye doctor for help. Eyeshadow look. The next one is my bronzer. It's not really a major eye makeup product. People don't really use it that much, but because it makes my face look shiny. So I'm just going to apply the bronzer. Other people like to wear false lashes, and I've already spoken about that in another video, so you can check it out. Okay guys, so this is my final makeup look. Please tell me I look good. So as you can see, my eyes are popping just with these 3 makeup products I use. After all, it's important to remove your makeup before you sleep. Eyelid hygiene is completely important in order to avoid any inflammatory or infectious conditions of the eyelids. So makeup particles can end up on the eyelids and result in conditions such as blepharitis, chalazion, and allergic conjunctivitis. So you can decide to use baby shampoo on your eyelids and wash them gently in order to prevent any particles from getting stuck on the eyelids and causing some inflammatory and infectious conditions. So contact lens users particularly are at higher risk of contracting some form of eyelid problems when they use makeup. So it's important to practice hygiene. Hygiene is very, very important when it comes to using makeup. So this brings us to the end of the video. Remember to practice eyelid hygiene and safety while you are using your eye makeup. And remember, in case it does drop into your eye or anything happens along the line, kindly rinse your eye and see an eye doctor immediately. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with a friend. If you have any suggestions or anything you want to say, you can leave it in the comment section or reach me by my email. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.